What's your favorite food?
I really love pizza, especially with extra cheese.
That sounds delicious. Do you like cooking too?
Yes, I enjoy cooking pasta.
Wow, that's cool. What's the best dish you've ever made?
Probably lasagna. My family says it's really tasty.
Do you prefer sweet or salty food?
Sweet for sure. I can't resist chocolate cake.
I like salty food more. Fries are my weakness.
Fries are amazing. Do you eat them with ketchup or mayo?
Ketchup, always. How about you?
I prefer mayo, but sometimes I mix both.
Do you like trying food from other countries?
Yes, I love sushi and Indian curry.
Same here. Let's go try a new restaurant this weekend.
Great idea. I know a place with amazing international dishes.